Hi, have a pleasant day to everybody. This is Derek Miramonte, your property consultant of GNSI Homes. Ngayon po pala ay nandito tayo sa project na Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. So ngayon po ay dito tayo sa North Tower. At over there po is the South Tower. At dito naman po yung kiddie pool natin and the playground area, the lap pool, and the leisure. That's the basketball area. And over here is the lobby area. Open area po siya. Kita nyo naman na napakaganda ng simoy ng hangin. So, playground area also. And going here is the gym area natin. The lobby area. That's the casino area. Right now we're here at the 42nd floor of the Infinite Tower. We're at the roof deck area. And here is the function room of the area. Actually, we can rent this area. Andyan ang lahat, andyan ang kitchen, and everything. And going here, over here is the view of the Quezon City view. Quezon City view. And makikita nyo rito yung the Dome Tower of Araneta Tower and Manila Bay area. Is the Ortigas view, Ortigas skyline, Pasig skyline. And over there is the Marikina area. The other side is the Oriana project. Actually here, wala na tayong area, unit available here, but here, marami tayong available dyan. You can see the view of the mountain view of Antipolo skyline. Thank you very much for accompanying me with a short tour. At kung mayroon kayong katanungan regarding the units and available units, you can call me direct with my cell phone number 0967-218-0970, or you can message me with my FB page and my Instagram. And don't forget to like and share, comment also with my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat.